To prevent any movement during the planing process, securely fix the wood material and create a stopper. Align the plane blade with the edge of the wood. Hold the center of the plane's body with your dominant hand, and wrap your other hand around the blade's head. Press the plane's base firmly against the wood surface and pull it towards you using both hands. Make sure to pull the plane all the way to the end of the wood. Use your dominant hand to push down on the plane, and keep the other hand on the plane to hold it level as you pull it parallel to the surface. Ensure to keep your arm close to your body and use your entire body to pull the plane, not just your arms. If you need to put the plane down, place it on its side to avoid damaging the blade.